Okay, one shot, one kill, one take. Hello, everyone. It's been a little while. I've had some time to rethink how I'm gonna approach the channel, and so this is it. Well, not just this. It's not just gonna be all talking head pieces at a really bland desk and boring back. I am redoing the whole lot. So first of all, how do you run a travel channel without, traveling? I'm glad you didn't ask, because it's difficult. So it's going to shift from traveling with a disability to just living with a disability. Exploring just how I deal with my low vision. Gonna show you guys what it's like to update a kitchen to an accessible standard, and then do cooking videos, because I'm not bad at it. I'm gonna start doing some gameplays. People ask me all the time how I play games, or what games do I play, so I'm gonna try to figure out the whole streaming thing. There's gonna be videos exploring the city of Toronto, how somebody with low vision navigates transit, navigates the a mall, navigates the city streets. What else? More comedy. Gonna be doing more comedy. I was sick for a few months there, and I haven't been able to do stand-up, so my chops are dusty. I got the dusty chops. And lastly, I want you guys to check out over at Game and Scotch. If you're into gaming discussion, gaming news, bit of humor, bit of drinking, the whole shebang, they've got all that going on in spades over there. So there's the wrap up of what's going on. Thanks for sticking around. If you have, check out Game and Scotch. I'll drop a link in the description there. Like, subscribe, all that garbage, and cheers to your health. It's just garbage coffee, but